Hello guys, this is the performance overview of one of my campaigns for finding labor contractors. So today we are going to quickly see all the campaign level, adset level and ads level of this campaign which I have set up on 1st of January to 31st of January. So let's dive into the campaign. So this is the campaign level setting I'm going to show you for the campaign which I've set up. First is the name which I've kept is labor contractor all locations, which clearly depicts that I am going to use multiple locations for my ad. Next is the categorize your ads. So if you are running any special kind of ad which is related to financial products or services, employment, housing, social issues, elections or politics, it's better to categorize your ad or tell Meta that this is you are going to run to avoid any future rejections in your ads. So here I'm selecting employment as I am going to run an ad for hiring for labor contractors. Fine. So next is this campaign details. Okay, campaign details has two options. One is buying type and another is campaign objective. These two are related. Buying type, you will see two options: auction and reservation. So if your campaign objective is awareness or engagement, you choose here in buying type reservation, and your goal is lead generation or traffic or awareness, engagement, app promotion or sales, you will choose auction in buying type. So here we are choosing auction and under that leads. So next is the advantage campaign budget, which means you can choose your ad level budget in two ways. One is campaign wise and one is ad set wise. I am here going to choose budget according to the ad set wise. So next we will see our ad set level. So here is the first is the ad set name, second is the conversion. To get leads through your website or website and calls from instant forms, messenger, instant forms and messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, calls and apps. This is we are going to see in detail in our next video. But from here, I will say that I have chosen instant forms because I want people to just see my ad and click and fill their information. In performance goal, you see two things. One is maximize number of leads and another is maximize number of conversion leads. So in that case, Meta will show your ads mostly to the people who are likely to convert. But here I want volume of leads, so that's why I have chosen maximize number of leads. Fine. So next is the budget and schedule, which I've kept 200 daily budget. You can keep the lifetime budget also if you wish to run your ad for a certain period of time. Here you can schedule your date from this to any date you want, and we'll move to the next section, that is audience. Yeah, in audience targeting section includes locations, age and gender. Here you can see these are the location, this is the age and this is the gender. I have selected it is all. And in detail targeting, I have selected demographics, interest and behavior. When you enter a keyword here in Meta, it typically suggests 25 related interest. So yeah, I have added some additional interest also. All right. Next is the placements. Meta offers advantage plus placements and manual placements. I prefer manual placements to control where my ads appear and ensure better performance. So I have chosen Facebook and Instagram for that, and not selected audience network. And yes, so this is the third and the last step of my creating this ad in this Meta campaign. Turned off the partnership ad button because this is not a partnership ad. I have chosen my Facebook page and Instagram account. I have chosen the format of the ad. I am using image. All right. Next is the ad creative section where it shows that how my ad will look in different type of placement, which I manually selected on Instagram and Facebook only. On those two platforms, my ad will be shown. All right. Next is the primary text, which you will see it will be above the image. Okay. Next is the headline, which you will see at the bottom of the image and near the button, near the CTA actually. That is, you can choose apply now or book now, download, get offer, get code, as according to your wish and your business needs. All right. Next is advantage plus creative. So here it shows enhancements 4 on 5 turned on. I have turned it on so that if my ad appears on a story or something, Meta can automatically put a background or enhance the color of it. Okay. Next is the instant form. Here, what I have done in this instant form is I wanted leads which are more likely, those are high converting and good. So I have selected two step in this. I am asking one question here, and on the next step, the basic form will appear. So this way, I have selected the form to better get the leads which are refined. Okay, so after all this, I just have published this ad, and results you can see, you have already seen at the start of the video. So this is the video of today, and let's meet in the next video where I will be discussing about the conversion locations and many more topics. So yeah, stay tuned.
Click the link below. Let's chat and scale your business together.